Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to solve multiple choice questions from the chapter 18 Statistics, class 9 ICSE, the book Concise Selina. So after going through this video, if you like it, please share with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with the first MCQ. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Which of the following variables are discrete? Already I have a video on the channel about discrete and continuous data. So discrete data is the that which can be counted, and continuous is one which is measurable. So daily temperature of your city is again measurable. Size of the shoes is something counted. We have 7, 8, 9 like that size of the shoes. Distance traveled by a man is also measurable, and time is also measurable. So the correct option is size of the shoe. This is the discrete data. The next MCQ, the marks obtained by 15 students in the test out of 100 are given below: 81, 90, 72, 90, and so on. Find the range of the data. So range is the difference between the highest observation and the lowest observation. So we can see that 90 is the highest observation here, and the lowest observation when we look at it is 36. So we have 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36, which is 54, is the range of this data. Got it? The third MCQ, the class mark of the class 35 to 45. So 35 is the lower limit, 45 is the upper limit. The class mark is the midpoint. That is, we add upper limit and lower limit and divide by 2. So 35 plus 45, we get 80, and 80 divided by 2, 40 is the class mark of this class. Midpoint of the class mark are the same. The fourth MCQ, in the class intervals 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, the class 11 to 20 after adjustment is what? So now you can see that the difference between the upper limit and the next lower limit is 1. So 1 upon 2, the adjustment factor here is 0.5. So that means what we are doing is we are subtracting 0.5 from the lower limit and adding 0.5 to the higher limit. So in this, when you see that, and see here, we have the, if I subtract 11 from this, if I subtract 0.5, I get 10.5. Adding 0.5 to 20, we get 20.5. So after adjustment, this is the class interval. Okay. So the last MCQ of today's video, the class marks of the frequency distribution are 10, 15, 20, 25. So these are the midpoints. The class corresponding to the class mark. Now midpoints are these. So when I look at the midpoint of even 10 and 20 is 15. Midpoint of 14 and 16 is also 15. But what is important is difference between two consecutive class mark is what is class size. So phi is the class size. So we have to see that which class interval have the class size phi. So the class size phi to 17.5 to 12.5 is 5. And if you add 12.5 plus 17.5, it is 30, and 30 divided by 215 is the class mark. Got it? So this is how we have done with the MCQs of chapter 18. Slowly we'll be coming up with the MCQs of all the topics, as this book is a revised one. Earlier book, when the videos were made, was not having the MCQs. So stay tuned for the another exercise, and if you like this video and if you feel it is helpful, do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.